Here's why it's so hard to get a work from home job. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably noticed that over the past few years, it's gotten a lot harder to get hired for a work from home job. Now, obviously, since the pandemic, working from home has become a lot more appealing to a lot of people. Now, why it's become a lot harder to get hired for a work from home job is because of people like me, all right? And not just me, a lot of the other work from home YouTubers, all right? These people who, put out all of these videos talking about who's hiring, you know what I mean? New work from home job, so-and-so is hiring, this company's hiring, right? And that's great for, the actual YouTuber, right? But with all of these work from home YouTubers putting out these videos, and a lot of them are talking about the same work from home jobs, it creates a shit ton of competition. Because think of it like this, all right? You see a video, think about a popular, work from home YouTuber, work from home jobs YouTuber, all right? So say they put out a video 2 days ago, right? So it pops up on your feed. You're like, oh shit, so-and-so's hiring. You click on that video, you watch it. Now in the video, that YouTuber might be telling you like, oh, so-and-so's hiring. They're looking for 1 or 2 positions that are open for a company, right? Then you look down at that video and you see that video has 30,000 views already in 2 days, all right? So let's just do basic, just basic thinking. Out of 30,000 views, let's just say 29,000 of those people who watched the video didn't even do shit. They don't even care. They just watched it for shits and giggles, right? They're not even pursuing a job. But imagine if 1,000 of those people actually clicked on the link and actually applied for that position. Now, imagine that this company is only looking for, 2 to 5 people to hire. Now just think about that. That's just one video with 30,000 views. So imagine, 50 other, and there's probably way more, but just imagine 50 other YouTubers talking about that same job opening. So now you jump from, say, 1,000 people trying to apply for this job. Now you're looking at 30,000 people trying to apply for this place that's only hiring, 5 people or 10 people, right? And even if a lot of times you'll see videos about companies that are hiring hundreds of people, sometimes even thousands, right? And that's dope. That's good. But you look at the competition, because once again, you're going to have 50, and trust me when I tell you it's way more, but 50 big time work from home job YouTubers talking about that opportunity. So now you got a company hiring 1,000 people, but you got 100,000 people trying to fill them positions. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not knocking the work from home job YouTuber, because hell, I got videos on this channel that talks about work from home opportunities. And I probably still will come out videos talking about that. But for the people who are actually really looking for that work from home job and they really want to get hired, like, you need to kind of realize what you're up against. So here's what I would do if you really are looking at YouTube as a way to help you get that job. First of all, you need to follow all the work from home YouTubers that you really like, right? You like their leads and everything. You need to make sure you have that notification turned all the way on. So when they do drop a video, like, you can be in that first group of people that see it, where you could apply to that job they're talking about. Like, keeping it real, if you apply to a job like 2-3 days after the video, came up, it's gonna be very hard for you to get hired for that opportunity, right? That's just my thoughts. So if you're really on it like that, you wanna make sure you have your favorite YouTubers notifications on. Now, about a week ago, I put out a video of the 3 best websites that you can search on a daily basis for work from home jobs. Now, to be honest with you, a lot of the work from home YouTubers, they use these websites for video ideas. All right, so you can kind of like skip over them a little bit, all right, and just check out them 3 websites. And instead of making you watch the video, which you can if you want to, but the 3 websites that you can check out on a daily basis is realwaystoearnmoneyonline.com, ratracerebellion.com, and workersonboard.com. Those are 3 places that you can search on a regular basis for legit work from home jobs. Now let me make this clear. Work from home job YouTubers are very helpful. They can be very helpful. And a lot of times, if you do find a job on one of the websites, like, you can look that job up on YouTube and see what other people are saying. Because a lot of these work from home job YouTubers, they give you way more detail about these jobs than you will find on the website or on Google, right? So they are good, they have their place, and they provide dope information, right? But to increase your chances of getting hired, you want to be one of the early people to check out their videos, or you want to just look them up to see what their thoughts are on a job that you are interested in. Because yes, it is harder to get a work from home job opportunity now, but you better believe it is very, very possible, because more and more companies are hiring people to work from home. So just keep that in mind.